We're going on a hike with my updo. Come on, y'all. I walked every step on one trip. To our bird.
I'll send it to Rai Rai.
Shaniqua. Shaniqua. Guys, let's use this as a walking stick. Is this how they wear? It's from Mars. What is it? It's a souvenir. Let's go.
So where
It's
we
attached.
going?
What is this attached to?
Oh, what is this attached to?
Oh no, why is this attached to? Tell me right now. Tell me.
Katie, this.
I said tell me right
Look,
now.
It's in the thing.
It's right here. The light.
Ogre. Ogre. Whatever.
Girl, watch out for these cacti. They're running everywhere.
Oh, whatever, girl.
I almost jumped on this like jumping Troya shit.
Oh, girl, be careful, girl. What's in that tree?
Oh, girl, what is that?
Oh, girl.
Ouch! Oh, girl, should have been wearing my sweatpants, girl. I'm getting little pokies everywhere.
They got it with my hiking boots. Oh, girl. Oh, girl.
Oh, girl, damn, what is that?
Oh, girl, watch out. Look both ways, girl.
Oh, girl. This is
Oh, girl.
Oh, girl, I'm shaking. Girl, pull my foot out.
Oh, girl.
I'm shaking.
Oh shit!
That's what you got. Watch out, girl. That's why. That's why.
Girl, I'm shaking. Girl, help your foot, girl. I'm shaking.
Oh, girl.
Oh, girl. Girl,
Good thing I wasn't hiking boots. Oh, girl. Oh, she look at that. Look at that, girl. Oh, yeah.
Oh, girl.
Oh, girl. Why are we
Oh, girl, look at this dodo right there.
Oh, girl, watch out. Watch out, girl. Look, in that tree. What's in there, girl?
What is that? What is that?
damn.
You must see that.
Dude, look at what is that? This is when I kick the friends.
What is that?
Oh, girl, I mean, I got cut out here.
You gotta get that sheet
Girl,
down.
what is that? I mean,
Oh, girl, how are we gonna get that
is
sheet
that?
down?
What is that?
Oh, girl, how are we gonna get that sheet
Oh,
down?
what is that? Get that down right now. Right now.
Hey,
Right now.
Hey, yo, Pat. Come
Get
here.
your pen. Get that down right now. You get over here right now.
Hey, yo, Pat. 143, I love you. Come on, boy.
What?
Get down here. Oh, Pat, come on.
We are
See you in on over
Get your
here.
lazy butt over here right now. Right. We are talking here. What is that? What is that? Pat, you tell me what that is right now. I'm gonna be a little snippy.
Hey, get your white trash over here and get your
Pat,
ass up
Pat,
there.
what is
So
that?
I'm gonna...
Pat, what is that?
Pat, you
What
put that
is
up
that?
there. Pat, how you get up there?
Pat.
Pat, how the fuck do you think
What
we're gonna
is
get up
that?
there? Oh, shit.
I must have thrown out shit up there. I must have thrown some shit up there. You hear me, Pat?
Oh, Pat.
Pat, wash your hands. I'm about to throw this up there, Pat. Wash your hands.
Oh, Pat, you're disturbing my updo, bitch. Oh,
It's coming. I catch it. I got a big one. What is that? Watch out. We dropped. What is in Norwegian?
hey, yo, Pat.
What's in Norwegian? What's in Norwegian? Pat.
Ouija.
I eat you what it is. I eat you
The
what?
fuck? The f*** is an Ouija?
Pat, tell me what an Ouija is.
Now.
Hey, yo, Quinna. Bring the heat, Quinna. Bring the heat. Bring the heat.
We want a picture, not a belly itcher.
I'll get it.
Oh,
Ouija.
Look, it's an
an Ouija? What's an
I'm
Ouija? What's an Ouija?
a mystified.
It glows in the dirt. It glows in the dirt.
In the dirt.
In the dirt.
Alright,
It's
I'll
almost
read
dark.
it. It's a mysterious and mythical game.
Oh, girl, I got
And it glows in the dark.
It glows in the dark. It's almost dark. With my foot.
I think we
I
asked
need to
them
put some
ghosts some
lipstick on
questions.
for my chappy chap.
Ghost? I don't know. I just think
Ben!
like
How do you do this?
I think we're just like we just
Hey,
asked
yo, ball
them
over here.
ghosts some shit.
Hey, yo, lazy butt over here.
What should we go do with this?
Go play the Ouija.
Where should we go to play the Ouija board?
Let's go in that cave.
Alright.
Off we go. Nailed it. I'm scared as fuck.
Casey, what are you doing?
Ready? Hold on. Wait. Let me get right here in this cocoa-y stuff. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hold on!
Ew.
I'm coming! Don't go shit out of me.
Don't get me.
Oh
God!
Don't do me.
Run that way.
Casey, get out. Casey, get out of there.
I don't want to be anyone with shit my
Ew. What? Cat daddy in the mud. Cat daddy in the mud, yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Woo.
Really?
I'm stuck. Okay, dude. Fucking stop. It's already on my fucking
I'm over it.
Here we go now. Come on.
Why? I like the mud.